The night before I go to work, I like to make sure that I have a lunch prepared for the next day. So this is cauliflower rice with turkey Italian sausage, and I just made them kind of look like meatballs. And then I have sauteed okra and sweet pepper. It's 2:30 the next day, 2:30 p.m. the next day. I'm about to just have some breakfast, and then I'm gonna work out around 3 o'clock. So I need to hurry up and eat. I like to get up, have breakfast, try to work out, even if it's a short workout, and kind of clear my mind before I go to work instead of like waking up and being rushed to go straight in. This is my breakfast: 3 turkey bacons, 2 eggs, and some pico. Today's workout is 80-day obsession, day 5, I believe, and we are doing legs.
So I'm done. Oh, it's giving me a ring. Oh, thank you. Workout took me 47 minutes. Active calories 345, total calories 427. I'm tired as fuck.
This is the protein that I use. So if I do any strength training workout, I always drink protein. Usually if I'm just doing cardio, I won't drink protein after, depending on where my calories are for the day. So since I just did legs, I definitely need to drink protein. I've been using the PE Science protein in Snickerdoodle. And since this one does contain 5 grams of BCAAs, I feel like it helps me not be as sore the next day. I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, your almond milk should be, what is it? Non-sweetened, unsweetened, or whatever. That's disgusting. It's nasty. I can't do it. This way, when it is just the regular vanilla kind, all I have to do is add ice, milk, protein, and it is so bomb. It is so good. It legit tastes like a cookie. My hair is trying to play me because of this wind. I'm on my way to work, and I had to stop by the store because I didn't have an energy drink. These are not necessarily the best things, but night one, I'm always dying. So I just got the Monster Energy drink, the 0 calories, 0 sugar. And it only has 2 grams of carbs. I rode with my windows down because it's finally nice outside, and now my hair is like, yeah. And then not to mention, it is like freshly red, so it's like bright. Then, of all things, I wear red scrubs today. These are one set of the scrubs that I bought during Nurses Week. I tried on 2 other sets, and I got them in a size large. Way too big. So I don't even know what their return policy is because I usually never have to return anything, but I did try some different companies because usually all I buy is Grey's Anatomy, and I'm always a large in Grey's Anatomy. So the ones I have on right now, they are new, they are Grey's Anatomy, and they fit. But I did try like just different companies because it was a sale. So in those, I would definitely need a medium. I cannot size down in these Grey's Anatomy ones for some reason. These legs, they take up a lot of room, these thighs. So I am definitely still a large in the Grey's Anatomy ones, but there's a couple of other scrubs that I need to size down. And once I do like the video or whatever, I'll let you guys know. But right now, I'm gonna probably have to send a majority of them back because I think I only got 2 pair of Grey's Anatomy ones, and then all the rest of them are other companies, so they don't fit. They're like way too big, which is a good problem to have, but it would be better if they was like legit too big because I'm now in a size medium. Like my goal is to be in a medium Grey's Anatomy scrubs. Like that's what I need in my life. I left my house, I don't even think I told you guys when I left, but I left my house around 6. It is now 6:27, and I'm about to go to Dunkin' Donuts and get an iced coffee because that's just kind of what I do before every shift. It kind of helps with my appetite, me not be so hungry as fast. Yes, can I get a medium iced latte with almond milk and unsweetened French vanilla? Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
You too. Oh, my schedule is crazy next week. I actually am pulling 4 shifts. I don't even know how I'm finna do that, but I'm actually pulling 4 shifts, and then The next week I was supposed to be, so I was going to pull 4 shifts and then I'll be off for 7 days. But what I'm actually going to do is pick up a shift in the middle of that 7 days that I'm off, because I want the bonus shift. Bonus shifts and bonus money is always good. Like, I try to get the most out of my shifts as possible, like the most money out of my shifts as possible. So when they start offering bonus shifts, I am definitely down for that. But it ain't gonna be a lot of bonus shifts because, yeah, I got sleep problems. Like, I feel like I don't get enough sleep and I can never catch up on my sleep. So with that, it's not a lot of extra shifts that I put up. In the break room waiting for my lunch to finish. It's like 2:45 in the morning. Super tired. Boss Moves badge on deck. Make sure you go by. Yeah, so I can't show you guys anything with my patients, so, but tonight's been pretty crazy. And I think we're about to get a new admit from the ER. Oh. I'm tired. When I tell y'all change the shift just pisses me off so bad, I swear. But right now I need to get some breakfast, get some melatonin, shower, sleep, so I can do it all over again tomorrow. It's not even tomorrow. See, that's the other thing about working nights. You just get your nights and days all mixed up. So because I gotta go back to work tonight. Whatever, y'all know what I mean. Whatever. Okay, it's time for me to go. Bye. All right, guys. So I am on my way to work. The same day. It's the same day. What is today? Sunday? Monday? Tuesday? What is today? No, today's Thursday. I'm a little tired. So today is still Thursday, and I'm heading back into work. Like, this is one of the things that sucks about nights. It's because it's like the same day that you leave work, it's the same day you go back to work. So you're like hella tired. Speed up. So I'm heading back to work. Yesterday I told you guys was a bonus shift. Today was my regularly scheduled shift, and I think we're like 2 nurses short. So yeah, we'll see how tonight goes. I'll try to show you guys a little bit more inside of my job, but not actually like patient care or anything like that, because that's a violation of HIPAA, as well as protecting the privacy of the patients. You know, protect the privacy of patients, as well as protect me, and you know, things like that. So that part I can't show you guys. I will never be able to show you guys that. That's just a part of my job that I can't share. But, you know, maybe I'll take you guys into, like, the supply room and all that stuff like that. But it won't be much. I'll let y'all know that now. I'm so tired. I have not had coffee yet because I did fasted cardio, which was a mistake. And I did not drink coffee because I don't even know I didn't make coffee at home. There's really no excuse. I just didn't make any coffee at home. But I did make my lunch, and I'll show you guys what my lunch is. It's kind of similar to what I had yesterday, or this morning. Yeah, like 3 o'clock this morning is when I had lunch. And that's pretty much it. We're about to get onto this 30-minute commute.
You say I'm tripping, but they the ones with it. I thought it was love. I break the internet top 2 and I ain't number 2. My body, my ice, my cash. All real, I'm a triple threat. Let me switch out the tempo. Let me switch out the tempo. If you get your own money, holler. You got them ballers in your section, holler. If your day one's with you, holler.
was definitely large iced coffee day because I'm tired already. Let's go knock out these 12 hours real quick. Physician's dictation room. So when they do their soap notes, they just pick up the phone, talk, and someone else transcribes it for them. My 2 shifts are over. I don't go back to work until Monday. My schedule next week is pretty jacked up. And it's my fault. I can't even blame management. Like, it's completely what I did. So next week I work Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah. So I'm already tired in advance. But yeah, that's pretty much how my 12 hours go. I know I can't give you guys a lot of insight on what goes in my job just because, you know, I have to be professional. I try to show you guys as much as I can. I just can't show you guys everything. So I hope you understand, and I hope you do enjoy the things that I am able to show you. If you have any nursing video ideas or any topics that you want me to cover, please feel free to leave it below, and make sure that you subscribe as well as thumbs these videos up so I can continue to do them with your support, showing me that you really do enjoy these videos. I am tired. I'm so dog tired that it is ridiculous. I'm about to go in the house, shower, and pass out. So thank you guys so much for all your support. I really do appreciate it, and I'll talk to all of you huns later. Bye.